in evening में
There also they are making one more island that is in the shape of palm design only. It is called Palm Dera Island. Palm Dera, it is in the Dera city. This is constructed in the Dera side. Palm Jumeirah, it is in Jumeirah, so it is called Palm Jumeirah. The Palm Dera they are constructing, they already island is completed, but they are constructing the other buildings and all. That are all buildings, whatever you are seeing, it is all on the Palm Dera island. Palm Dera is not that bigger. It's smaller than the Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jebel Ali also one more island they are building in a palm shape in Jebel Ali. That is the bigger island of all these two. They have 20 leaves, 20 fronts. This is the sea. This is all the sea. We have a Port Rashid there. That is a Port Rashid. It is built in 1972. And when designer Sheikh started the trading business after 1970, when they got the oil and after that they started refining and they started exporting. With that money, he started the trading business. When he started the trading business, is all happening from the Dubai Creek. All the container or whatever the trading is happening is all happening from the Dubai Creek. So for that, for the customs and for all everything, he has built it the Dubai port. In the Port Rashid, that is a Port Rashid where you have a custom office also. So whatever trading is happening right now in the neighborhood countries, that is all the custom or clearance or everything will have it from the Port Rashid. But and we have Dubai have another port that is called Port Jebel Ali. Jebel Ali Port, which is the world's largest man-made port, where you all have the importing exporting which is happening in the containers. The container port you can say that is in the Jebel Ali. In the Port Rashid only you have a cruise terminal also. Cruise terminal where the cruise ships are coming and they are docking here itself. Here 3 to 4 cruise ships can dock one at a time. Whatever the cruises are coming to Dubai, they are all docked here. And one more now they have opened a new port for the cruises. That is a cruise terminal in a cruise harbour. Marina Harbour. There they have built it another where they can dock 2 more cruise ships. This is all the Port Rashid area. This is all the Bar Dubai area. You can see more of the old design houses. The buildings, you can see more old buildings here. These are the buildings that is all constructed in 1980 to 1990, 1970, like that. There's more of in this area you will find more of the old buildings. This is all the yachts. Okay, the orange chimney, this is also the cruise ship. That is a Queen Elizabeth II cruise hotel now. This is basically a cruise ship, but it was converted in a hotel now. It is docked here only, it's not sailing. This cruise didn't sail, it's standing here and that is converted in a hotel. Like designer Sheikh Mohammed has given all the facilities, all the entertainment for everybody, keeping in the mind of everybody thinks. Like some people, they have a seasickness, they can't go in the sea and they can't do the cruising at all. For them, they can go in this hotel, they can enjoy all the activities of the cruise. Just it will not sail, but you can experience all the activities of this cruise ship. So this is converted here. This is the Queen Elizabeth II cruise. Why it was called? Because they have made it in the name, in the memory of Queen Elizabeth II. Because she is the lady who visited first officially in Dubai for the inauguration of Jebel Ali Port, Jumeirah Mosque and the Dubai World Trade Center in 1979. So she visited to the Dubai in the same cruise. So that's why it's called the Queen Elizabeth II cruise, in which she can visit it to the Dubai. So in the memory of her only they have converted this in a cruise hotel. It's called QE2 hotel. Now the Queen Elizabeth II is not there. She expired. But Queen Elizabeth II, all over world the people say that king and queen, they didn't work, they didn't do work. But here the rulers are working. So here the rulers, they themselves visit all the places and see whether the people are going along with the rules and laws or not. So here the rulers can visit any place, any public sector offices, any private sector offices, any labor camps, any place they can visit anything. 100% crime-free country and is the most safest country in the world also as per the ladies' safety. Because this is the one country where the ladies can walk on the road in the midnight, late night, whatever, alone, by wearing too much gold also. Nobody is going to touch you, nobody is going to comment you, nobody is saying anything to you. If you say if any man will do anything to her, if she complains, is finished, his life is finished. So nobody say anything to the ladies here. So that's why here the ladies who are working in a bar, clubs, whatever, nobody can touch them, nobody can say anything, and late night also they can visit any of the public transportation also. If they want to go with a bus or taxi, whatever, they are totally safe here. Because all the buses, all the taxis are monitored by the GPS of the government here. They are very punctual about that, and they are very alert about that. If anybody is ladies. And now they have started the cameras in the taxis also, so that they can monitor inside also. If anybody is doing anything, any crime, they can be here. That's why this will be called as the world's safest place till now. Because of the lady safety, why they have given this one? Because now they are promoting their ladies and their girls to work, to get educated, and to do something if they want to do in their lives. Because as per the Islamic culture, as you know, the ladies are not allowed to go before, but they are now they are free because as per the situation and the world, people are thinking the girls and the ladies are doing so big things, so they also want their people also to get out and do something. So that's why they are bringing their ladies, they are getting them educated. So most of the families, as per the Islamic culture, they are not allowing the girls to go outside because of the safety and for the culture reason also. But the government has given them safety reason that your daughters and your ladies are safe. If they want to go educate, they want to learn, they want to go somewhere, they want to go somewhere.
कितना मोटा है
For that, it's not only for the local ladies, but all over worldwide ladies are safe.